to pay the rent. I was hoping some would come heaven sent, so I rushed down to the floor by my door, but God don't love me anymore. That's rich now. So I knew I had to follow my nose, but the repo man had taken all my clothes, got down on my bended knees and said, "Hey, good Lord, won't you help me please do something?" Then I heard a rat-tat-tat, so I shouted out, "Who the hell is that?" He said, "You've got just an hour to leave." I replied, "That's something I can't believe, the way my luck is." He said, "Haven't you heard of the credit crunch?" I said, "Why don't you tell me about it over lunch?" He said, "I got too much on my plate, and I can tell we've both got a different fate. You're a loser." He said, "I guess that you have committed the crime of being in the wrong place at the wrong time." I said, "What am I supposed to do if there ain't no work and nothing to do? I got the credit crunch blues." I got the credit crunch blues. I got the credit crunch blues. I got the credit crunch blues.